Today, we delve into a heated controversy in the hip-hop world. Kanye West claims the music industry is trying to replace him with Kendrick Lamar. Kanye's posts about Kendrick Lamar have certainly felt that way over the last couple of months, but his most recent thoughts on the Compton superstar may be his goofiest and far-fetched of them all. In a since-removed post from his X account, Ye believes the music industry is trying to make Lamar the next face of hip-hop and move him to the wayside. This theory emerged after he learned about alleged bots being used to bolster views for the recently released Luther music video. Do you think the music industry is really trying to replace Kanye with Kendrick? The hip-hop community watches closely as this story unfolds. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.